Hey guys, this is Alice from Sephora Yonge and Eglinton, Midtown Toronto. Today I'm going to show you how to achieve this natural glowy complexion, so if you're interested in tips and tricks, just keep on watching. So I've already done my eye makeup and I'm just going to jump right into my skincare. I'm going to be using the Run Clean Skincare Clear Calm 3 Replenishing Gel Cream, and I'm just going to warm it up in between my fingers and just gently massage it into my skin. And then to make sure that it's fully absorbed, I'm going to use the warmth of my hands to press it deeper into the skin. Next, I'll be using the Tom Ford Complexion Enhancing Primer in number 1 Pink Glow. Again, I'm just going to warm it into my fingers and then gently massage it just in the center of my face. This is just going to give a even application and make your skin a little bit more smooth. And I just want to make sure that I'm not applying too much so that my makeup doesn't move throughout the day. Now I'll be using my Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation in number 3.5. And I'm just going to shake the foundation a little bit just to make sure that it's fully mixed. I'm just going to apply with my Sephora Collection brush number 47. I like to start in the center of my face and slowly bring it outwards. I like to section off my face and use a foundation brush first and then use a beauty blender to blend it out. I do love that this foundation gives a really natural glow to the skin and it's really good for any skin type. And I'm just going to go back again with the foundation and apply it in any areas that I have a little bit more redness. Next, I'll be using the Too Faced Born This Way Naturally Radiant Concealer in light nude. And I like to dot it right under my eyes, on my nose, around my lips. That way I can just highlight any dark areas and shadows. I'm going to be using my brush number 57 in stippling motion, just so that it gives a more airbrushed effect. I'll be going back again with my beauty blender to blend everything out. Next, I'll be going in with my Hourglass Veil Translucent Setting Powder. I'm just going to bake right below my eyes and on my nose, which are areas that get a little bit oily. And I'm just using a dry beauty blender to place this. Now I'll be using my Laura Mercier Matte Radiance Baked Powder in Highlight. And I like to take my brush number 59 and just apply it on my cheekbones, a little bit on my forehead, the tip of my nose, and my chin. And this highlighter is great to use in a little bit of larger areas just because it does give more of a subtle highlight. Now I'm going to be taking a clean 59 brush and just swipe away any excess powder under my eyes and nose. To amp up the highlight, I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Kilowatt Foil Freestyle Highlighter Duo in Sandcastle. And I'm just going to be using my brush number 62, and I'm going to place it on my cheekbone, under my eyebrows, and the tip of my nose. Now I'm going to take my Makeup Forever Artist Face Color Highlight Sculpt and Blush Powder in number B110, and with my brush number 59, I'm going to place it on the apples of my cheeks and blend it out. With my blush, I like to gently lay on the color and build it up as I go. For my next step, I'm going to be using the Tata Harper Volumizing Lip and Cheek Tint in Very Naughty. This is a super hydrating lip tint, and I like to apply it in the center of my lips and blend it out. And finally, I'm going to be using my Cover FX High Performance Setting Spray. I'm just going to mist it all over my skin just so that the makeup lasts long. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. For more videos like this, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Bye!